Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I am Ade Ibrahim from Nigeria. I am in group 6. I'll be talking on the topic title Genomic Research be prioritized to understand health impact of climate change, or should effort be focused on immediate mitigation strategy? I am on affirmative side. Genomic is a study of genomes and its complete DNA of an organism. Genomics involves the sequencing and analysis of genomes in order to understand the structure, function, and evolution of genomes, as well as the application of the knowledge to improve health of an individual, of human and agriculture. Some key areas of genomics include structural genomics, functional genomics, comparative genomics, epigenomics. Genomics has many applications: personalized medicine, which is tailoring medical treatment to individual genetics; genetic diagnostics, is identifying genes, disorder, and mutation; synthesis biology, designing new biological system and or modifying existing ones; agricultural genomics, which improve crop yield, disease-resistant crops, or the nutrient content of the crops. Opening statement: climate change is a fast-growing threat to human health. Climate change is no longer a distant threat; it is a current reality, uh, ranging from temperature changes from high to low, extreme weather events, or changing environmental conditions, uh, which are altering the landscape of human health negatively. Constructive argument. Genomic research is very important in understanding health impact due to the following. Genomics can help identify genetic variants associated with climate-related diseases. Genomics data can inform personalized medicine to improve and also to approach for climate-sensitive population. Genomics can elucidate the role of epigenetics in climate-related health outcome, and genomic research can guide public health professionals to provide intervention and policy decision. Constructive argument continues. Example of genomics in climate changes. Climate change research can help in the following part of human endeavors: genetics adaptation to high altitude environment, investigating epigenetics responses to heat stress, analyzing genetic data to understand disease sustainable in climate sensitive population. Also, constructive argument continues. Gene environmental interaction can genomic research can reveal how genetics variants interact with environmental factors such as climate changes, which affect the health outcome of the risk population. Also, predicting can predict the future health burden by analyzing genomic data. Researchers can predict future health burden for climate changes, which enable proactive measures can be taken to mitigate the impact. Constructive argument continues. Also, tailoring the intervention and resilience strategy can give an insight which can guide and develop to tailor intervention and resilience strategy, helping the vulnerable population to adapt to climate changes. On advancing scientific knowledge can also be prioritized to uh, prioritize genomic research, which can help in understanding the complex relationship between genes, environment, health, and driving innovation uh, discoveries. Rebuttals. Genomics research is essential for healthier future. Some may argue that genomic research is resource intensive or its benefits are unclear. However, genomics has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of climate-related health impact and inform target interventions. Uh, the following can be some of the this uh, some of the risks that can be seen through genomic research, but the following can help seen through genomic research, but the following can help to in mitigating it, which are under A, unintended consequences, which they are not intended to. But if risk management can be adopted into this research, can mitigate the risks of genetic modification. Monitoring adaptation, when if the research is being monitored and adapted, adaptation strategy can help to identify the intended consequences. Uh, then on gene editing, uh, regulatory oversight, strong regulatory oversight and ethical guidelines can prevent the misuse of gene editing technology and responsible innovation. Responding by being encouraging responsible innovation and transparency, gene editing research can help to ensure that this technology are used for greater good intended, not misuse. C. Dependence on technology. Some may argue that there may be so much dependence on technology, but with complementary approach, genomic research can be complemented broader climate which change mitigate effort rather than replacing them. And integrated strategy. Developing integrated strategy can combine genetic solution with other approaches can help to address in climate change more effectively. And uh, D, patenting and access. Open access to research data can ensure those needed uh, they are benefiting from the advancement and collaborative approach with the public private partnership can help to increase access to genomic solution. The environmental disruption can be addressed through ecosystem consideration, with a careful consideration of ecosystem dynamics and potential impacts can help to minimize the risks of large-scale genetic modification. Sustainable practice can develop sustainable practice and guideline for genetic modification and can mitigate the environmental disruption. Closing statement: prioritizing genomic research is a goal for a healthier future. Therefore, research should be prioritized to understand the health impact of climate change through leveraging genomics, data, and insight. We can better prepare for the challenge ahead and protect the health of current and future generation. These are the references. And thank you for your attention. Happy to address any concern that you may have. And thank you for Dr. Waba M. Rashid for this opportunity. God bless.